Well, in today's episode, I am working on some rolling stock. Lots of little broken parts. We're going to try to get them fixed. I also have to beat my brother's record. He says he has 13 cars with a road switcher. I have 14 with a yard switcher. And we're going to start the infield of the raceway. So let's see what we can do here. First up, let's get all the way around the track with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cars, including a caboose. Always have to have a caboose in the end. Norfolk Western yard switcher, powerful locomotive. Going up the incline good. I quite often have trouble over there, but sounds like we're going to be okay. Looking good. Coming through the town. Through the backside of the town. Okay, 14 cars, bro. Let's see you do that. Made it past the switches. Good. All right. Next, I want to get some paint down on this infield here. So, let's get this cleared off. I know the raceway part may be boring to some of you. You're more interested in the railroad part. But this is important to me because it blends it all together. And it makes gives the town a little more realism. So bear with me while I go through this. I have to redo my fence here, I think, and decided to take that out. In case you couldn't hear me, I don't have my microphone on. I've decided to take that wall out. Just didn't make sense as to what I was doing there. Mars Black for my roadway. That's what I've been using anyway, I think. Yeah, Mars Black. And the entire area, the infield, is going to be paved, of course. The essential trimmer in my hand kicks in now and then and doesn't help when I'm trying to do any delicate work. There's a lot more detail that I would like to do eventually. I've had some good comments from other modelers about how I should weather this and weather that. And I write back and say, yes, I would like to do that, and I will. It's kind of important to me to kind of semi-finish the looks of the town so I get a better idea of what I'm doing. And then I definitely want to go back and do some detailing. The essential trimmer just bothering me today. do some more weathering on the cars, greenery around the town, shrubs, a lot more detail on the buildings, people, all of that. I definitely want to, looking forward to going back and doing some of that. So keep those comments coming, those details about what you'd like to see. That's helpful, giving me an idea of what to do when I get there. That's awesome. I wonder about this. I'm going to try something. Maybe try to make this look a little more paved. I wonder what this will do. Brush strokes can only do so much. This looks more like a paving machine had gone through this, maybe. Wonder what it'll dry out like. Can't hurt, right? Or if it does, I'll just go back and do it again. You know me. All right, we'll let that dry, see what that looks like. So let's get on those cars. The easiest one to do is going to be this Virginia coal car, where the truck just should pop right off. And this popsicle car has always been a problem. It's just too long for my layout. So that also has a truck that just pops off. I'm gonna put that on the Virginia car. Easy fix for that one. The other one I have is this Manta boxcar, California. And it has this funky little connector here. And I don't know if you can see that real well. Where can I focus on that for you? It's not a Katy coupler. It's solid, but yet it's not a horn coupler like on this side. So I haven't ever tried it on any of my rolling stocks. I just want to hook it up and see what she does here. If I can simulate that. That hooks up all right. Huh. And it's perfectly level. Well, awesome, right? I don't have to do anything to that one. And then there's this one. I'd like to use this Great Northern, but I'm missing a coupler. It's broken right off on this side. I'm not sure how to replace that. I don't know if I have a narrow hole for that, but I do have this Burlington hopper, and I don't know, it doesn't, the truck doesn't screw on, so I don't know how that comes on or goes off. So let's just pry on that and see if I can probably break it, which I did. I don't know how that would come off otherwise. So it's broken off. Huh, I don't know what I can do with that. But let's get this truck off from here and see if that will fit. Let's turn it around so you can see it better. these trucks are holes are anywhere near. Yeah, it's about the same. I don't know about the level of the horn though, of the coupler I mean. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's gonna turn pretty hard in there. I'll have to widen that hole out. So I don't have a round file to go in there. I have this square file. I'm just gonna ream that hole out a little bit here. Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, that feels good. Yeah, let's see if I can get them little screws in there. Well, that's not going to work. Must be the thickness of the material on the truck is too much. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is a metal truck and this is plastic. Well, guess I'll have to see what I can do for a horn on that. I know I can pop that open, but that looks like a rivet. It's not going to stay open. I mean, that's not going to go back together. Unless that's a pin I can drive through. I'll have to see what I can do with that, I guess. Well, I have a couple of these cars like that. Both of them have the couplers broken off. I don't know what kind that is. I had no idea how to fix it even. That is not a screw. I looked at it with a magnifying glass. It's a pin. And I don't think I can get that out. If you know where to get these, let me know. I'd like to use both these cars. But I do have this other Virginia car that just needs some wheels. And I have 2 metal wheels left. So I'm going to put them on this one. That one doesn't seem to want to play nice. There we go. And so the wheels are lined up, look good. Should give me another car. So that's the thing about buying a box of junk at a railroad show. You never know exactly what you're going to get. You usually buy it because something has parts that will fit something else. And probably somebody just was never able to fix that either. So I'm stuck with a bunch of cars that are just no good. And I have some more that I'll try to make work too. But that's enough for that for now.